So on that note, if you wanted an even faster way to do it, what we could do, go here, set pivot, and we're just going to delete that shell. We're starting from scratch again. Okay, so what I've seen is a pretty cool trick. I just go over here, go to planar. Doesn't really matter what it looks like from here, to be honest. So what we're gonna want to do is hide the seam that we don't want visible. So this guy's gonna be poking in that corner. So we're gonna take that, go here, and then we're gonna splay this guy out too. And then probably same at the top. So yeah, you're just gonna select all these edges. And then go over here, hold down Shift, right click, go to cut. And then all of a sudden, this guy's all cut. So this guy will end up being its own UV, this will be its own UV, which we can fix here in a second. But then these will all splay out pretty nicely. So what we're gonna do is go over here, go to UV shell, drag select everything because these are now separate UV shells. Now we're gonna, what was it? Yeah. Shift right click, go to unfold, unfold again. This guy just lays itself out. Where's those top go? Spooky. Oh, weird. Oh, and that happens. Go over here, go to planar. Get on the y-axis. This guy's scaled so oddly. Anywho, go over here, take this guy. Like, come on, I want to rotate this thing, but my version is so weird. Like, I'm used to seeing a gizmo pop up, but now I just don't have a gizmo. Like, that's not cool, guys. But we could always do that same thing here. And you're thinking like, oh, why did we just do that? Like we just ruined our UVs. We just take here, go to unfold, do it again. And all of a sudden we have that same mesh that we just did. Just resize it. Come on, Maya. Yeah, I would just straighten this out. It's kind of hard to do without the gizmo. I don't know why it took it away from me, but clean UVs, another way